Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to enable Google Assistant. First, navigate to your Google application, which should already be pre-installed on your device. Once inside the Google application, locate and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, select Settings. In the Settings menu, you will find the Google Assistant option. Tap on it to access the Google Assistant settings. Within this page, you will find various options. Unfortunately, for Samsung phones, mapping the power button may not be possible. However, you can enable Hey Google. So choose the device you want to enable it on. You can select other devices linked to your Google account. Follow the instructions to set up Hey Google. Agree to the voice terms and complete the setup. Tap on I agree, then tap on More, then hit the next button. This feature allows you to access and activate Google Assistant directly from your phone by saying Hey Google. Once set up, you can use it anytime. If needed, you can retrain the model for improved recognition. Finally, you can customize additional settings within your Google account. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.